Hello and welcome back to Career Choice 360. Today we are going to review one of the most prestigious business school of India, the Indian School of Business, ISB Hyderabad. So इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं ऑलमोस्ट हर एक चीज़ जो आपको इस कॉलेज के बारे में जाननी है, आपके कोर्सेज से लेकर फीस तक, एडमिशन, प्लेसमेंट, सब कुछ डिटेल में. Founded in 2001, it's known for its world-class faculty, cutting-edge curriculum and the strong industry connections. ISB Hyderabad offers a completely transformational educational experiences. Moving forward to the courses offered, ISB Hyderabad offers a variety of programs based on different career stages, and their flagship program is the postgraduate program in management, the PGP course. So let's talk about everything related to the courses and fee structure. After PGP course, that is for 12 months, we have PGP Pro, that is postgraduate program in management for working professionals. The duration for this is 18 months. Duration for the PGP Pro course is 18 months. Next we have PGP Max. The duration for this is 15 months. Postgraduate program in management for senior executive. Next we have PGP MFAB. Duration 15 months. Postgraduate program in management for family business. Let's see, the ISB offers courses in the following 6 concentrations, that is finance, entrepreneurship, information and technology, marketing, operation management, strategy and leadership. The courses are also based on the industry specializations that are healthcare, manufacturing, public policy and infrastructure. Looking at the fee structure, so the fees for PGP course is, total fee is 28.11 lakh. You can check the detailed fee structure and the other courses fees in the link in description. Okay, moving forward to the admission process. This is the most relevant information I'm going to give you. So first, the application process. So for the application process, there are 6 important sections apart from the personal details and statement of integrity. So among these six important sections, the first is your academics. Mention your 10th, 12th, graduation, post-graduation and the additional certifications in the academics. Second, they'll look up to your work experience. Mention your top job responsibilities, initiatives and achievements. Third, there is awards and activities. Arrange your awards, achievements and hobbies in the order of importance. Fourth, the most important, the test score of your GMAT and GRE exam. Fifth, you will have to submit an essay, reflect on your experiences and let your thoughts flow. Focus on uniqueness and leadership. Sixth, the recommendation. You will have to provide details of one recommender who can be your reporting manager, previous manager, senior colleague, current client, etc. So for the foreign students, there is another exam score, that is TOEFL and the IELTS one. So this was all about the application process. The selection process of ISB Hyderabad is based on your academic credentials and your leadership potential and your personal attributes. We also have the key topics for interview questions that might come your way. The first one is about yourself. Tell me about yourself, the most difficult question that we face in the interviews. And second, the work experience you have, and an example question of how will you sell XYZ product to a client. And the last question is why ISB? Why you are choosing ISB and why you are doing MBA? Why you are choosing MBA as your career? After you clear all these selection process steps, if you are shortlisted, you will be called for an interview from the college, and if you cleared that interview, you get the offer letter from ISB Hyderabad. Talking about the rankings of the college, so ISB Hyderabad consistently ranks among the top business schools, not just in India but the world. According to the Financial Times Global MBA rankings, ISB is ranked 31st globally and first in India. As Wikipedia also mentions that ISB is currently the highest ranked business school in India, as ranked by Forbes Financial Times, The Economist, Poets and Quants, and Bloomberg Business Week Global MBA Rankings. Looking at the placement records, so the year 2023 stats says that the median package of ISB Hyderabad was INR 32 lakh per annum, and the average package of the same is 33.26 lakh per annum. So here are some of the top recruiters at ISB Hyderabad that are McKinsey and Company, Boston Consulting Group BCG, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Deloitte. That's a wrap on our review of ISB Hyderabad. I hope this video helps you understand what makes ISB to rank one of the top-notch business school, not just in India, but in the world. Comment down your queries, your questions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep choosing Career Choice 360 for your best career guidance, because career clear, so no fear.